Hi everyone, I have been wanting to show this property to you for over a year. It is brand new, just finished, and it is something that is breathtaking, and it's so hard to put into words how wonderful it is, and it's accessible. So I'm going to take you on a tour of Port Farm. Coming from the car park, there are pavers and firm compacted gravel and a ramp to access with an extra wide door. Are you ready? This is Port Farm, a luxury retreat ideal for multiple families. Georgie, the owner, has thought of everything to make it a warm, welcoming experience. Extra wide doorways. And let's go and focus on the bathrooms for a moment. There is no glide under vanity, unfortunately, as Georgie, the owner, had already purchased a number of items. You have 2 bathrooms, and you can use a height adjustable shower chair and a height adjustable over toilet chair in either one of them. So this is a very nice, large, step-free shower with an overhead shower rose. The next bathroom, again, this has a higher vanity, so that's just something to be mindful of. I will actually recommend to Georgie, because she's really open to any suggestions as to maybe having a pull-out magnifying mirror. There is a height adjustable over toilet chair. There is a height adjustable shower chair with grab rails and an adjustable shower nozzle, as well as a rain shower for this bathroom. It's really good to have the grab rails on 2 sides. Ideally suiting multiple family members or multiple couples. This is a brand new property. Absolutely stunning design. Incredible artwork. Just so warm and welcoming with the most amazing view. It is a rainy day today, so you can't quite see the ocean. But on a sunny day, you would be able to see the ocean. And right in front of you at the bottom of the hill is Port Campbell. There is an outdoor fire pit. As part of this luxury retreat, the owner has really gone to the ends of the earth to make you feel really special. Within the gourmet kitchen, Georgie has just provided some wonderful condiments, spices, herbs, marshmallows, boutique chocolate, practically speaking, a lowered microwave, and just really nice, easy glide for cookware. Incredible thought that's gone into this. This incredible property is available at accessibleaccommodation.com.